Hey everyone, so we're going to talk about the trellis that I use made out of the cow panel. I had some people ask about it, and so I want to kind of simplify it, and the bird apparently wants to simplify it too. It's helping. So first of all, this is the cow panel. It's made out of metal. It's squares. The one I got was about 16 feet long, and I have an Outback. And luckily I kayak a lot, so I'm used to putting things on top of the roof. But I had to go and ask them for clippers, and I cut it in half. So these two put together, it was actually one cow panel. I assume they sell them smaller, but that's what I got from Tractor Supply. Rural King, Tractor Supply, your nurseries might have them, farm stores. You just have to ask. So what I did was I bought 4 of these. This is rebar. It's about 2 feet length, so it's already pre-cut. Then I got the one piece of cow panel. I cut it in half. And what I do is I pound this in the ground, the rebar, right here at an angle. So hammer, pound it in at an angle. Then I take, because this is flat, so then I take the flat piece, I put the cow panel in, so it's one of these squares is over, this rebar goes through one of the squares, and I leave some up here. So you can see how long it is. I've got it pounded in about 1 foot deep. I do that on both sides. Then I get the flat cow panel, I grab it on the bottom, and I just push it. And I push it in until I get the bend of how high the bend I want. I want some distance here because, like those cucumbers, they're going to grow pretty big real fast now that they're starting to take off. They finally built their root system, and now they're taking off. And then I double that for the sugar snap peas, and did that twice. And so for these two, I needed, because I got these pre-cut, so you need 4 for each trellis you want to make if you're going to do the bend like this. And I like this bend. I can plant stuff inside. What I did learn from one of the viewers is they commented that when I'm planting the cucumbers and the snow peas, to plant them on the inside of the trellis, where I'm planting on the outside. And I get it. I've been doing it this way for years and years and years, but I see exactly what they're talking about. If I'm going to plant the seeds in here, it's going to be a little more work to plant it because it's in the way. However, when that grows up and through and over, the seeds are going to be under all the leaves, and it's going to be shaded. So I recommend doing that. That was a great suggestion. And so that's it. That's a cow panel. They last forever. They're metal, easy. I just leave it in. And then after this grows and it gets too warm, then I'm going to grow beans on both of them. And the beans help the soil, put nitrogen stuff back in the soil, and they cover these, and you get a big crop out of it. The other one I like is black-eyed peas. You can do it with black-eyed peas as well. But beans work great. And all right, so that's it. Just want to go give a little bit more detail, simplify it a little bit more. Super easy. Trellises are awesome. They're going to keep this from getting fungus and so forth. The cucumbers, because it gets nice airflow, and it's super cool because wait till you see in future videos, these cucumbers are going to start growing through here, and it looks cool when you look at it from underneath. There's one cucumber that we couldn't find it this year. We got it from seeds 2 years ago, but it's like 30 inches long, and let me tell you, having a 30-inch long cucumber hanging from this cow panel was super cool. So there you go. That's all I got. And thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.